Hi, this is going to be a review of common fraction to decimal equivalents that you're going to have a quiz on. So, I'm going to start with here 1/2, and we know that 1/2 is equal to 0.5. Then I'm going to separate this here. And then we know we have thirds. I won't do 0 thirds. You know, 0 thirds is 0 and 3 thirds is equal to 1. So all of those types of things you should know. But I'm just going to start here with 1/3. And 1/3 is equal to 0.3 with the repeat bar. That's pretty easy, remember. 2/3 is equal to zero point 0.6 with the repeat bar. Now we're going to do fourths. Fourths are easy. Just think as quarters of a dollar. So 1/4 is equal to 0.25. 2/4 is the same as 1/2, and so it equals to 0.5. Um, 0.5. And 3/4 is like 3/4 of a dollar or 3/4 or 0.75. And then we're going to do fifths. Fifths are really easy. Just remember 2, 4, 6, 8. 1/5 is equal to zero point 0.2. 2/5 is equal to 0.4. 3/5 is equal to zero point 0.6. 4/5 is equal to zero point 0.8. Six are a little bit more difficult, but not that bad. Remember, 1/6 will actually do that division. Let me do that division over here. Let's see if I can't erase this line a little bit to give me a little bit more room. And so I'll do it right over here. So remember, we can just go back to um, one goes in the garage, one goes in the garage. Um, Actually, let me get to brush here. One goes in the garage, 6 goes outside the garage. Put a decimal point, bring that right up here. We get to add a 0. Let me get back here. And we get to add a 0. 6 goes into 10 one time, and we get a 6 with a 4 left over. Get to bring down a 0. And 6 goes into 40 6 times, and we get 36. And then we get 4 left over, and we're going to see that this is repeating. So it's 1.6 or 0.16, I'm sorry, with the repeat bar. 2/6 is the same as 1/3 or 0.3 with the repeat bar. 3/6 is the same as 0.5 is the same as 1/2 or 0.5. 4/6 is the same as 2/3, so it's just 0.6 with the repeat bar. I'll let you do the division here and then memorize it, but 5/6 is going to be 0.83 with a 3 with the repeat bar over the 3. Sevenths are too difficult, so we don't do. Eighths are pretty easy. I'll let you do the division on 1/8, but it's equal to 0.125. 2/8 is the same as 1/4, and so it's equal to 0.25. 3/8, if you add 0.125 to 0.25 and 0.125, you get 0.375. 4/8 is simply equal to a half or 0.5. 6/8, we can just add 0.125 to 0.5. I'm sorry, 5/8 I should say. 5/8 we add 0.125 to 0.5, and we get 0.625. 6/8 is the same as 3/4, and so it's 0.75. And if we add 0.125 to that, we get 7/8, and 7/8 is 0.875. Now we're going to go to ninths. Ninths are really easy. We have 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, 5/9, 6/9, 7/9, and 8/9. Some of these are repeats. Like 3/9 is 0.3 with the repeat bar, and 6/9 is 0.6 with the repeat bar. From that, maybe you can start to see the pattern it's going to be. It's a very easy pattern. 1/9 is 0.1 with the repeat bar. 2/9, that's a 9, is 0.2 with the repeat bar. 4/9 is 0.4 with the repeat bar. 5/9 is 0.5 with the repeat bar. 7/9 is 0.7 with the repeat bar. And 8/9 is 0.8 with the repeat bar. 9/9 is, of course, 1. Tenths are super easy. 1/10 is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 for 4/10. 5/10 is 0.5, 6/10 is 0.6, 7/10 is 0.7, 8/10 is 0.8, 9/10 is 0.9, and 10/10 is, of course, 1. So I didn't write out the fractions there so I don't make this too long. But that's it for these. And with that, I will simply close this out.